Hi everyone, I am going to show you the most useful hotkeys in Premiere Pro. I highly recommend using a keyboard instead of a mouse as frequently as you can. At first, you'll find it a bit inconvenient, but after a few days of working that way, you'll understand all the benefits of keyboards and will realize that the mouse just slows you down. Hotkeys will make your editing super fast and efficient. I'll give you about 30 hotkeys in 5 minutes that will save you hundreds of hours. Let's go! First hotkey, Ctrl+S to save your project. It's not a joke, use Ctrl+S every minute. Premiere is still unstable software. Mac users. When I say Control, that means common for you, okay? The next 3 most useful hotkeys for editors: J, K and L. All 3 work both in the source monitor and on a timeline. Use L to play your video. Hit L again to play it 2 times faster, and again to play it 4 times faster, 8 times faster, 16 times faster, and so on. J works exactly the same, but in the opposite direction. K stops your material. If you hold K and L, your video will play at half speed. Hold K and J will play it at half speed backwards. If you press and hold K and hit L, you will move 1 frame forward. Hold K and hit J to move 1 frame backward. The left and right arrows do the same things. Move the playhead 1 frame forward or backward. Hold Shift and left or right arrow to jump 5 frames. Hit the up and down arrows to skip between clips on your timeline. Use the I and O keys to spot in and out points on your source monitor. And use the comma and period keys to put this highlighted section on your timeline. Use comma to insert and period to overwrite. Use I and O on a timeline to show which part of it you want to render. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V work for both clips and effects. So you can copy your clip and paste it wherever you want on a timeline. Use plus and minus to increase or decrease the size of your timeline. The backslash lets you see all your clips on the timeline. A is a very useful hotkey. It selects all clips from the right. Shift+A selects everything from the left. V activates the selection tool. C activates the razor tool. Use Shift to cut through the entire timeline. And it's easier to cut clips using Ctrl+K, as in this case you don't need to activate the razor tool every time. Use B to activate the ripple delete tool. Q and W are my favorite hotkeys. They cut everything up until the next clip. Q cuts the beginning and W cuts the end of the clip. Hit Y if you need the sleep tool. N activates the rolling edit tool. This one is very cool. It moves the out point of the left clip and the in point of the right clip simultaneously. Sometimes it's very useful. R activates the rate stretch tool, which changes the speed of the stretched clip. The tilde key maximizes any panel you choose with your cursor. I use it in the program monitor all the time. Use Ctrl tilde if you want to see a completely full screen view of your material. Use Ctrl+M for rendering. Ctrl+T creates a new title. This is the last hotkey, Ctrl+Alt+K. It activates the keyboard shortcuts menu, where you can find all the shortcuts and even customize them. If you forget any shortcuts from this video, just go here and type whatever you're looking for example gain. And by the way, the audio gain hotkey is G. Easy. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button, and if you want to learn more about Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci, After Effects and other tools for video creators, subscribe and hit the bell button. If you're looking for great and unique music for your videos, visit taketowns.com. You'll find tons of awesome music, and each track has 15, 30 and 60-second versions that you can easily loop, which is very convenient. Also, make sure to check out the cool video effects. See you later, guys.